the viewers find it interesting, and your content looks really good. Search and select the font here. You can see. Similarly, you can go here, watch the video, and then change it as this says. Here it says that March font. So let's go to that. Let me make this bigger so it's a little clear. It says Safira font. So select this and go to the Safira. So right now it doesn't show. Even though I'm online, it shows that this font isn't available right now. Here you can see. Simply, if you want to change, you can go to any of these. Here are the options for this. You can change. Now you can see the change here. Similarly, lots of different options. Choose any of them. This is how it works. You can play with the font as you want and make your look content even better. Going to the next slide. Power of contrast. Contrast creates emphasis and helps comprehension. For examples, light versus dark or thick versus thin. Here, I bet you can't read this properly because there's not enough contrast. I bet you can read this because one color is dark and the other is light. So you see how this works? It is about reading clearly. The first you can see is hard to read and the second is easier. It's because of the power of the contrast. So here, going to the next slide, here you can see how it works. You can change the color. You can see it doesn't seems to be clear enough so that we can read. You can select it. Right now it's locked. This element can't be edited. So we won't be doing that. If you want to change any of this, you can go here. Right now it's not showing the option, but you can see the option once it's available and then click on that to change it. Going to the next slide, colors basics. So color harmonics looks good when paired with each other. Does your color palette match your mood? Now let's go to the other side to learn. Use the eyedropper to select colors. This is all about creating a color palette based on the image below. Here in the video you can see how it works. You can go here, click on the edit image, go to the contrast setting or the color setting, and then you can use the eyedropper so that it works properly. Share in color. You can learn from this video and play here.